Once the user capture a live stream from the object of front of the green screen or blue screen, it try to compile it to the list of the bytes and try to send to the cloud server. The cloud server will achieve this information and prepare it to shareable by other users, and other users can achieve this information and try to compile it and make a new real-time video with that list of the bytes. In the user B, it try to achieve this information and make a video real-time and try to remove the green screen or blue screen with the Chromakey shader and try to show it in the VR view or AR view. As you can see in the AR view, we can see an object with the exactly that video we have received from the cloud server, but it is in real time.